How to add multiple account in Twitter. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add multiple accounts in your Twitter app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Twitter app, and then once you're in your Twitter app you have to tap on your profile picture here in the top left corner. Then here to add multiple account you have to tap on these three dots here in the top right side. Then here if you want you can create a new one, or if you have an existing account you can tap on here add an existing account. And if you tap on add an existing account, here you have to enter the phone number, email address or username of that other Twitter account. Then here tap on next and enter password, and you will be signed in and that Twitter account will be added here. So now here you can see that I have added another Twitter account. Now if you want to switch to another Twitter account you just have to tap on their profile picture and wait for a few seconds and you will be switched. And if you want to add more Twitter accounts you just have to here tap on these three dots and then tap on create a new account or add an existing account, and the another Twitter account will be added to the list here. So this is how you can add multiple Twitter accounts in your Twitter app. Thanks for watching.